and shine, everybody.
It's breakfast time!
Oh, and this one-pot wonder is a breakfast lover's dream come true.
Oh, you want this morning, noon, and night. I love
That is for sure. I love it. It's breakfast.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My cock-a-doodle-doo Loon. Boy, aren't you
I
ever.
jumped on it.
You did. That's okay. That's all right. You just reminded me. Okay, so let's get going. So like I said, you can do this in one pot, and it's great. So I got my big old 12-inch cast iron skillet, or you can do this in a 9x13, no problem. Now I have got a pound of our good old breakfast sausage. You use whatever your favorite. We're using our just normal plain breakfast sausage from our friends at Jimmy Dean's Sausage. So good. They also have like flavors of like sage. You can go hot and spicy. Now what I love about this is we're going to add some onion in here. Normally you see us, we're going to saute the onion first.
Right,
we got 3 cloves of garlic, and you got to wait for that, and then you're going to put your meat in, blah, blah, blah. This, you don't have to do that. There's going to be just a little bit of grease that's going to rendered from the sausage. Not a lot. It's pretty lean, and it's just going to saute those onions perfectly. It just makes it so easy.
One pot, y'all.
It's a one-pot wonder. All right, so we're going to let this cook until we're going to saute this till it cooks, and these onions are nice and soft. Okay, you see that?
It is smelling like breakfast, y'all.
I know. I've always loved when my mom used to make like a breakfast casserole at Christmas time, and that was my favorite. The smell of that sausage. Okay,
we used to make a big breakfast. Oh, go ahead. I'll talk.
Okay, you'll talk when we get. Let's talk about those biscuits.
Yes, these are like 2 days old biscuits. When did you make these?
Oh, I made these a couple days ago. So you can use
They're so good.
fresh biscuits. You can use a couple day old biscuits. Just don't if they're like rocks, but they're going to bake and they're going to soak up some juices.
And I'm just breaking them up.
No problem. Just be, that's okay if they don't have to be.
You can have some chunks in there.
Exactly. So what I was on his point, I would try. You don't have to make homemade, but that's fun. But there's so many great places now where you can go and get fresh biscuits.
I'm going to say it. KFC has really good biscuits.
They do, but I mean, I've made this before, and there's so many brunch spots in town. Go pick up biscuits. If they make good biscuits, homemade is best. If you need to use the packaged kind, that'll work too. There's nothing wrong. I'm not going to
use grams if you do that.
And that's what I've done before. But okay, so now we are going to start building this, and it's epic.
So good.
What you could do, and I've done this before, is first mix all this in another bowl and then put it back in here. But you know what? Why dirty another bowl? Okay, that's a cup of just good old cherry tomatoes that I've halved. Now we're going to get this good and cheesy because that's the way we are.
Yeah.
This is 2 cups of shredded cheddar. We like it extra cheesy. If you don't like it extra cheesy,
that's another chapter of one of my books.
Of your memoir.
Make it cheesy.
Yeah.
Lots of cheese, please.
The Life and Times of Wesley Loon. Okay, now those are those. Look at that. Isn't that great? Isn't that a great idea? So we're going to put these biscuits right in there. This is 2 tablespoons of fresh sage. This is why it starts. This is so great at Christmas time or the holidays.
But isn't sage also like an ingredient in a lot of breakfast sausages?
It is. It's commonly used.
You make your own sausage. And
I do, yes. That's why it's just perfect for this. This is a 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. You want to go pure because, that's what you want to do. Now, that sausage has some sodium.
Non-pure.
Well, you don't want to do pancake syrup as well.
Got it.
So the sausage has some sodium in it, so you don't need a lot. I did a 1/2 teaspoon and then like a pinch of black pepper. Now we're just going to start mixing this up.
Yay.
And
as he's mixing that up, I'm going to be breaking some eggs and taking names.
Watch out. The Loon is
cracking eggs on camera.
Cracking his egg, I tell you. It's a fun time here in the old Loon kitchen.
Now, the trick is not to break your yolks because
that's a good thing.
Yes. And I've got my first 2 ready. Just so that we have them ready for when Chris makes his little divots.
So this is so much fun. So this is, like I said, this is just the ultimate one-pot wonder, and it's just so good. And then it's going to bake, and it is going to be heavenly. Okay, so see, you didn't really need to put that in another bowl.
What? Oh, yeah.
I mean, I used to, but and then I'm like,
you mean mix it all up in a bowl?
Oh, you're doing that. You could.
I'm talking about this.
He insisted on doing this in
because I don't want to.
He's afraid people are going to laugh at him if anything cracks.
I'm very self-conscious about breaking a yolk.
Well, I know you are. He makes himself a breakfast every morning, and he's gotten very good at doing it. That's why I'm like, I don't know why you're afraid. You've gotten pretty good at it. So, all right. Now, what you can do is you can use. We go anywhere from 5 to 6 eggs. You can also do this in a 9x13 dish.
Right in the middle first. Do the right in the middle first.
Okay.
That way we can
Now we're
work
just going to
around it.
sort of make a little divot here. Don't if it goes to all the way to the bottom, that's okay. And some of the yolks are going to spill over, and that's okay.
Why don't you should you make the divots first, and not, just in case they're not even, we can fix it.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess we're going to take up
See,
everyone's
that one's
time.
a little too close to this one.
Okay, so now
we move that one over. There. Right here. I'm fingering it, Chris, right there.
Yeah, that's really great.
No, there, see, 5, right there. Right there, and then right there. Okay. Folks, this is our
Welcome to our
relationship.
kitchen. If you can survive that, you can survive anything.
There we go.
Okay,
1.
fill that in. Okay.
Now I've got how many divots here?
I don't know. You went
This
dip it
is
crazy.
2.
Okay. See, and they just go right in there. Now, if it touches the bottom, that's okay.
right.
It's going to may
Watch
stick
out,
a
I
little
got
bit.
2
All
more
right.
coming at
Now
you.
we're just going to fill these in. Okay, well, that was a whirlwind. So
we decided to do 7.
yes, well, once Wesley decided to get out his designer hat, we had to kind of modify. But that's the good thing about
Hey,
this.
the more eggs, the better.
That's right, and you can do whatever it suits your fancy. Okay, so I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. This is now for like 20 minutes if you like your eggs kind of yolky, which we do. The 20 minutes. If you like them more like really set, then let them go about 23 minutes. So we're going to do 20 minutes, and we're going to see.
Oh, so good.
Okay, ring that dinner bell.
Ding, ding, ding.
Breakfast time.
Dinner bell, breakfast time.
I know. Ring that breakfast dinner bell. Okay. Isn't that
Oh,
beautiful?
those eggs might be just perfect.
Oh, they're beautiful. See, they got a little jiggle. So we let them go about 20 to 21 minutes, a little over 20.
That's lovely. 7 eggs, so everybody gets one.
It's perfect. You did a good job. I like that.
Love
so
that.
I got a little chopped chives here just to give a little color and a little boost of flavor. Isn't that beautiful?
That is gorgeous.
I'm going to go just a little black pepper. That is really spectacular.
I am in heaven.
I know. If you like your eggs fully set, then let it go about 23 minutes. I like to sit here and just look at it.
It's so gorgeous. Give me that egg. Don't screw it up.
I'm going to try. There's no promises.
Oh, and that's a little bit of that cheese, Paul. Oh.
And the
Over on this side.
smell
There you go.
I love how those tomatoes get like softened and they just like want to burn them a
Oh,
little
look
more.
at that. No, this is good. This is good. I don't want to make a fool of myself on
Well,
camera.
okay, well, it wouldn't be the first time. Let's just say, let's give you a little more.
Yeah.
No,
One more pepper, yes.
Okay, I'm gonna feed myself.
That is gorgeous. Oh,
I think
look at that.
I think these.
That egg is perfect.
Yeah,
Chris. it's like a little soft boil.
It started to set a little bit, and that's okay. It's a soft boil. Yeah. If you like them runny, then definitely don't let it go more than 20 minutes. We let it go just a little more than 20 minutes.
All right, and I need my hot sauce.
I am so
I've
excited.
got a
The
little
smell
Tabasco
is so
here.
good. Yeah, hot sauce is good.
So I have to just
This on there.
go.
This is, I mean, all you have to do is maybe serve a little fruit with it, and you got a breakfast.
Who are you calling fruit? Sorry. All right.
Oh, that egg is perfecto.
Oh, guys, look at that.
That's the way I love my egg.
Oh.
Yeah, that's perfect.
That was like 20 minutes?
Yeah,
Right at 20
like
minutes?
20 minutes and 30 seconds.
Wow.
At 350. I'm salivating. I don't know about you.
Hold on, let me get my, there we go. Okay, here we go.
That's like something you get like at a bed and breakfast.
Wow, that is so good.
Oh.
That addition of the maple syrup, which is my idea. So good.
And these
And
eggs.
just enough, not too sweet at all. Just a little hint of it. And the egg and the sausage and the biscuit, you've got a little, this is like all in one, obviously.
I'm just over here in a moment.
Oh,
I love this. I do like it. I usually don't put the hot sauce on my bread, but I do.
you guys, look at how wonderful that is.
And you could double this recipe if you're serving like a big, it's so good at the holidays, but it's good anytime.
Y'all, this is 100,000% Loon approved. 100,000%.
I had a feeling. And seriously, what we were saying earlier, it's good. I mean, don't you love having breakfast like for dinner? My folks love that. I know we love to do it. This is quintessential great dinner. You can also
Those tomatoes too. Oh,
I know they become like roasted.
like little roasted tomatoes. Oh,
They're so good. You can get this prepared the night before. Just don't put the eggs in. They're right before you break it. I mean, right before you bake it. Put those eggs in there. It's so good. It's a family favorite.
I'm almost done.
I know. All right, we're just gonna sit here and eat. We love you guys so much. Make the skillet breakfast.
Make it. One pot. That's it.
That's right. And you're gonna be so happy. All right. Bye, everybody.
We love you.